Del Mar, California, there's a beach where the dogs are free to run without a leash. I see them racing across the sand, they're swimming in the sea. They're playing with their balls, oh there ain't a better place to be. To do the Dog Beach Boogie, it's the Dog Beach Boogie. It's a dance I'm sure your dog is sure to know. First he crouches on down, jumps back up, spins around and sniffs a butt. He does the Dog Beach Boogie until his owner says it's time to go. The dogs, they have more fun than me or you, because the people stand around without a clue about how to make a friend by sniffing their rear end. Spin around and around and then sniffing it again. They're doing the Dog Beach Boogie, it's the Dog Beach Boogie. It's a dance I'm sure your dog is sure to know. First he crouches on down, jumps back up, spins around and sniffs a butt. He does Dog Beach Boogie until his owner says it's time to go. Well, bring your dog on down, but please prepare with plenty of plastic bags to show you care, because it's such a drag to find what your dog has left behind by stepping in the wrong place at exactly the wrong time. You'll do the Dog Beach Boogie, it's the Dog Beach Boogie. It's a dance I'm sure your dog is sure to know. First you crouch on down, jump back up, spin around and sniff a butt. He does the Dog Beach Boogie until his owner says it's time to go. It's time to go.